for our enrolled students who are watching this solution, you will enjoy this because this is something we have explained in special equations, special functions rather. Um, but it's not something you have to use specifically. So I'll not get into that. For those who know it, in this case, f of x will be equal to x. You can just evaluate that, you'll find it. If you know this formula, this becomes very easy. I mean, I'll just mention this for once for those who do not know this. For any kind of function which is of this form, a linear bilinear, sorry, it's not necessarily b, but linear by linear form, where the coefficient of x in the numerator and the constant term in the denominator, these two, only these two matter. If these two add up to zero, then, so this is the if part, then this happens. I mean, not only this happens, this is as good as this as well. So f of x is same as f inverse x. Even if you don't remember this, that is fine. We did mention this in our classes as well. Because in CAT, I hope you can see, I mean, this is not a tough thing to do. You can just substitute continuously, right? You can substitute x equal to 3 here. Whatever you get, you substitute back here. But the thing is, if you know this, then you know straightforward that f of 3 is equal to 3 because of this idea. And here it is happening, right? Let me point that out here. So this is a linear by linear. The coefficient of x in the numerator and the constant term is minus 5. Use always the sign. In the numerator, you have 5x implies plus 5, right? So plus 5 and minus 5 adds up to 0, right? So this condition is actually holding true. So once this condition holds true, then f of anything is the same thing. So f of 3 is equal to 3. So once you know that, then this entire bit becomes 3. So all you have to do is evaluate g of 3. So g of 3 is nothing but 9 minus 6 minus 1, right? So that is 2, the answer here. So this becomes very fast if you know this idea. It's not, even if you don't, it's fine, absolutely fine, no issues here. So I would say roughly 1 to 1.5 minutes should be sufficient for this question, this particular question, whichever way you want. Even if you don't know it, let me show you that as well. So even if you don't know this, let me take this off. If you want to evaluate, always evaluate these kind of things, nested functions from the innermost part. So first evaluate f of 3. So that would be what? 5 into 3, 15 plus 2 by 3 into 3, 9 minus 2, right? So that is 17 by 7, isn't it? Now, this is the one that will be a little calculative. So f of 3 is effectively f of 17 by 7, isn't it? So if you substitute 17 by 7, at the top you get 87 by 7. What did I write? 87. Sorry for that. 85 by 7 plus 2 divided by 51 by 7 minus 5, right? So if I evaluate this, 85 plus 14, so that the 7 goes off, so just multiply 7. So 85 plus 14, so that is 99, and 51 minus 14, right? Sorry, 51 minus 35, right? So that is what? I did some mistake here. No, let me check this quickly. So this is what happens. See, this is 9 minus 5. Why did I write 9 minus 2? Anyhow, so yeah, so this is 2. So 15 plus 2, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 5, that is 2, right? And now this will be 17 by 2. Let me just correct this quickly. This will be 2, nothing more. Only these two will be 2. Rest of it is fine. Yeah. So now let me calculate this properly. So we have 85 plus 4 or something. I'm making some mistakes. अच्छा, let me show you directly. Let me evaluate ওই জায়গাটা, তারপরে যে মুছলাম তারপরে এই জায়গাটা রাখবি, ঠিক আছে? So in nested functions, I mean, if you want to evaluate, দাঁড়া যেখানটাতে বলেছিলাম নেস্টেড ফাংশন, ওই জায়গাটা যখন মুছলাম, ওই জায়গাটা বুঝে নিস, হ্যাঁ একটুখানি বুঝে নিস কিভাবে করা যেতে পারে। আমি একটু আরেকবার বলছি। তো স্টার্ট উইথ দ্য ইনার মোস্ট ভ্যালু, f of 3, let me write this properly. F of 3 is basically 5 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3 into 5 minus 2. I'm just writing this explicitly. So 15 plus 2, that is 17, and 3 into 5, 15 minus 2, so that is 13, right? Um, no, sorry. Why did I do that? So this is 3 into 3 minus 2, my bad. So 3 into 3 minus 2, that is 17 by 7, yeah. So this is what we have, and কি করছি বলতো না ঘুম পেয়ে গেছে জানিস তো Okay, nested function কিছু একটা হয়েছিল এখানটা so let me take that off এটা করছি so for these functions always start from the innermost part so f of 3 is equal to 5 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3 into 3 minus 5. So what you have is 17 divided by 4. Now f of 3 is effectively f of 17 by 4. So this is the part you have to deal with fractions like this. But it's fine, just be careful. So that is 85 by 4 plus 2 divided by 17 by 4 into 3. So that is 51 by 4 minus 5. So just multiply 4 in the numerator and denominator, and you'll get that 85 plus 8 up top. So that is 93, and 51 minus 20 below. So that is 31. So this comes out to be 3. So that is what I said. So f of 3 will come out to be 3. And now the same thing. I mean, g of 3 is anyhow you have to determine. So this is the alternative. I mean, if you don't know this idea, but if you know this idea, this becomes super fast. There were again, there were some more CAT questions earlier as well, which used ideas similar to this. I mean, not that you cannot solve it without this idea, but knowing this idea will reduce time. So that is the only advantage. So I hope that was understood. Thank you.